and all I am.
Hello everybody, today's video is going to be a dorm room tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's start at my door. This is my door. I've just got this really nice robe on it, so I can just chuck this on. And then right next to my door is my sink, and then above my sink I have a mirror, and on this little shelf here I have these 2 cups. I got them from Sainsbury's because I thought they were so pretty, so I bought one pink and one grey one, and they go so well together, and they just hold all my makeup, all my brushes. And then next to it is my toothpaste, and on the other side is my electronic toothbrush, and in here are just some hair ties, and I really like this. It's kind of, I don't know if it's antique or made to look antique. And then underneath my sink I have my shoes. Those are just my wintry boots, and I keep them here. All of them are black. How very interesting. And then next to my sink I have this little cupboard, and I bought this from IKEA. What I liked about this is that it had a door. It's just way cleaner when you have a door instead of having an open shelf, so I keep all my toiletries in there. And then on top I have this little gold basket, and I didn't know what to do with this at all. I thought it was really pretty. This is from H&M Home. I found it really not a good size to store stuff in, so I just put my hand towel in here, which I think is really handy because it's next to my sink. And then moving on from this little cupboard, my bed is right next to it. This is what my bed looks like. I have this really nice throw blanket on here. I love it. I feel like it gives a really nice cozy vibe, and it gives texture to the bed. And then I have this blanket from IKEA. This is such a nice duvet cover, and it's so easy to style as well. And then I have a bunch of pillows here. This one is from Primark. This pillow cover is from IKEA, and this one obviously is as well, but I just really like the way the pillows look together. Then I have a whiteboard above my bed, and on here I just put this world map, and I had this in my last room as well, and I just really love it. My sister gave this to me, and she cut it out all by herself. And next to my bed I have this little bedside table, and it looks a bit messy now that I'm looking at it. Basically, I have these coasters here, and I just put them here because I like to have a cup of tea in the mornings, and I don't want to get weird rings on my bedside table, even though this is all like battered and old. So I have to, because I normally like to keep my water bottle up here as well. Currently it's just down there. And then I have this little plate, and I just have my keys on here, and some headphones and some perfume bottles, just for really easy access. I like to keep my keys in here because otherwise I would lose them, and I can grab them quickly before I go out. And then I have this little decorative piece on here as well. I have a hand sanitizer in here, and then I have a couple of candles. Those are earrings. And then I have my perfume bottle here. You can see in the background my little thingy to turn on my fairy lights, so let's turn them on. I have a string of fairy lights around the whiteboard, which you can't really see them, but at night it looks so nice. And they are just from Primark. I believe they were like £2 or £3. So then I also brought this little lamp from home, and it's from a place called Action. Then I have my little window here. I just have a Christmas card sitting right there, and then on this side I have a bunch of fake flowers, and I really need to get a vase for it. I still think they look nice. Now moving on to my desk. This desk is really battered as well. It has scratches all over it. And I have this chair, and this is obviously not the prettiest thing. I put this IKEA thing on here. And then moving up to my shelves. This is an antique mirror set, and then I just have a room diffuser from Zara Home, and it smells really nice. This is an antique compact, and then I just have this picture. I bought it from a photographer in Berlin. Then I have this candle holder and a fake plant from IKEA. I spray painted a cardboard D gold, and then I have my makeup mirror here. And moving on to the next shelf, I just have Courtly Invited here. I have my Polaroid camera here, and then again I have some fake flowers on top of the book and a nice little picture of me and my sister. We both look really young in that picture. And I have a lot of these white boxes, and I send these in the post from Germany, so this is better. I don't know what they do in the post. I have a lot of these. I can just store a lot of stuff in there. In here there's all my technical equipment, and next to the box I keep some vegan cookbook. Then I have these 2 folders in which I have all the paperwork, and then on my top shelf I just have again 2 white boxes. One of them is empty, and the other one I have these kind of cardboard models that I need to do for uni. And then there's a little bit of empty space where I don't know what to do with it yet. Moving on from my desk area, right next to it I have another whiteboard, and on here I just put some pictures. So yeah, I want to fill this whiteboard up. Next to it I have this little shelving unit. I got this from IKEA. It was like £20 or something. And again in here I just have these white boxes. Looks a little bit boring, but I wanted to add a little bit of storage to my room. In here I keep a lot of bags for my shopping, and in the second one I keep all my duvet covers. That's the last shelf, and I keep my towels in here. On top of this shelving unit I just have my 2 bags. The only thing that's left is my wardrobe. It's not the prettiest thing, and it doesn't give a lot of storage. It just has all my clothes in there, and then on top of it I have my suitcase. This was my entire dorm room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon with another video. Goodbye.